या दबा ही नहीं, दबा उधर से, ये काम नहीं करता है. Assalamualaikum, welcome back to another vlog, and this is the part 2 of window display and the final part of window display. So yeah, here we were painting the backdrop of our window. So this is according to our theme, which is pop art explosion. So it took a lot of efforts, and here I was making the bigger bag, the biggest bag of all those bags. Okay, so if you need the tutorial, you can go back to my previous vlog where I have given the tutorial for this bag, but in a smaller version. You can change it according to your need. Okay, so yeah, my vlog is delayed because I was not doing well. Yeah, I'm not doing well still, but now I'm better, and I was trying to make it more stiff and stable. After this, we were trying different outfits for our mannequin. They stitched it, and this was us trying the backdrop, and it was looking really pretty, but a blunder happened. The blunder was that it was not getting pressed, and it was not looking nice, all crumbled and creased. So we tried very hard to get it pressed, but it didn't work. So we skipped it, and this is the big bag. And here I went for shopping for more lights. Here I was trying to connect all the lights. Now I'm a professional electrician, guys. Yeah, I've learned this. This is my new skill unlocked. Yeah, like I love this thing that every time while we are working, we have something or the other to learn, like a new thing, something out of our normal. And this is the best part about this. And I like doing things by myself. Like I love trying new things, and this was something really new for me. And yeah, I did it. And now here I was trying to place everything at its proper place. Now connecting the wire. Like it took me some, like it, after all the hard work, the lights really worked. Start हो गई है.
स्टार्ट हो गई है.
Yeah.
ब्लास्ट नहीं हुआ.
All the group members were working really hard, because already our backdrop got rejected. Like it was looking nice, but it wasn't getting ironed and pressed. So we did, even we tried the steam pressed, but it wasn't working. So we have to change the background completely. So we had a lot of work. So we divided the work. We were working in the university, we were working at home. So everyone did a lot. Now we are placing and attaching things and bringing everything together, like hanging it, sticking it, fixing it. Yeah. All the other group members also worked really hard. So now we are gonna go and check their displays.